जो सीजन 2 की टी शर्ट है कि छोटी नहीं बड़ी राज करेगी. नाउ बिकॉज शी वाज वेयरिंग दैट टी शर्ट, देयर वर फैंस ओवर देयर हु केम अप टू हर एंड सेड कि एक्सक्यूज मी, आप मिर्जापुर से रिलेटेड हैं. एंड शी डिड नॉट रियलाइज एंड शी लाइक, आपको कैसे पता? तो इनफैक्ट कि आपकी टी शर्ट की वजह से आप हमें बता दो कि सीजन कब आ रहा है.
I was little skeptical before season 2 we were gonna shoot कि यार छोटे बाल हैं कैसा क्या लगेगा. It was amazing. मतलब आप तो ऐसे ही अच्छे लगते हैं और क्या बात है ऐसे ही रखो टाइप. तो मैंने कहा यार ये तो क्या किस डायरेक्शन में बातें जा रही हैं.
The show is also keeping you on the knife's edge that if you fall in love with someone, he could be taken away from you,
Yeah.
or she could be taken away from you. And we followed that instinct and that DNA.
एक मुझे वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था जो मुन्ना का है कि पढ़ाई लिखाई करो, आईएएस वाईएस बनो और फिर विक्रांत की फोटो फ्रॉम 12th फेल. आई लाइक दिस इज अमेजिंग.
Hello, welcome to Ines. My name is Jigar Shah, and today we are with the cast and the director of Mirzapur, Anjum, Shweta, and Gurmeet. Now, what's the weirdest place people have asked you when is the next season of Mirzapur coming? What's the weirdest place? Ali told me that while he's having his food, while he has food in his mouth, people have asked him, "Sir, kab aa raha hai? Sir, kab aa raha hai?" So, what's the weirdest thing people have asked you all about the third season?
Weirdest मतलब I don't know but interestingly मैं पहाड़ों पे कहीं गया था और अकेले सड़कों पे चल रहा था. ऐसे घूमते घूमते अचानक से 2 गाड़ियां आई and they stopped. 2 people came out. This was closer to when season 2 released. So they just came out and they expressed कि कितना मजा आया and what a show and क्या आपने किया सारी चीजें. Then said कब आ रहा है? तो मैंने कहा अभी तो है टाइम पता नहीं अभी तो. And then they okay and they went back to the car and they just left. So I was like अच्छा आप कहीं जा नहीं रहे थे, आप बस इसीलिए रुके थे क्योंकि आपने देखा कि मिर्जापुर का एक एक्टर चल रहा है और ये सवाल पूछना था. And they moved on. So it was quite interesting.
So my in-laws, my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, they were on an international trip. And as luck would have it, she was wearing जो season 2 की टी-शर्ट है कि छोटी नहीं बड़ी राज करेगी.
हाँ.
And she was looking for somebody कि कोई डैड और उनकी फोटो खींचते. Now because she was wearing that t-shirt, there were fans over there who came up to her and said कि excuse me, आप मिर्जापुर से related हैं. And she did not realize and she like, आपको कैसे पता? तो इनफैक्ट कि आपकी टी शर्ट की वजह से आप हमें बता दो कि सीजन कब आ रहा है. So she said कि मैं बताऊंगी, पहले फोटो ले लो. So everybody was very happy because वो सीजन की इंफॉर्मेशन उनको मिल गई और मेरी मदर लॉ को अपनी फोटो मिल गई.
गुरमीत से आप तो 3 पहन के चल रहे हैं. 3 पहन के चल रहे हैं सर आप तो.
बिल्कुल.
सब नीचे तो नीचे.
डेट आ गई ना?
नहीं अभी तो अभी आए तो पहले पहन ले तो नीचे.
नहीं बिल्कुल. The thing that I remember is a very cute post. एक फैन ने लिखा था कि जब आपका सीजन 2 आया था मैं 8वीं में था, अब मैं 12वीं में पहुंच गया हूँ, आपसे सीजन नहीं लाया जा रहा. तो आई थिंक वो
उसकी 2 बार बोझ हो गई बेचारे की.
तो वो 12वीं में चला गया है. आई होप उससे पहले सीजन देखने को मिल जाए उनको. तो लाइक वाओ यार, इट्स अमेजिंग.
और एक फैन ने ये भी लिखा था कि सब्र का फल मिर्जापुर होता है. मतलब ये तो हम कॉपी करेंगे.
इसको कॉपी करना पड़ेगा. Now Anju, my question to you is, so in season 2 Gurmeet shaved your head. कितनी बार किया उसके बाद? शेव करना पड़ा था?
I think हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन I used to do it myself only. क्योंकि I mean because I knew कि क्या continuity है and I had that. I mean I kind of figured out the trimmer which I had. So there was a guy who was taking care of hair and everything. I used to just do everything. Every 2-3 दिन के बाद अच्छा ठीक है. तो yeah, every 3 days outdoors में all through the season I used to do it myself only and I used to love it. मतलब वो लगता है क्योंकि थिएटर्स है ना, पहले तो सब कुछ खुद ही करते हैं वहाँ पे. तो मेकअप सारी चीजें, कॉस्ट्यूम, अपने कपड़े, तो अच्छा लगता था. तो I mean also it feels कि you are the character.
बाल मिस नहीं किए कभी? मैं तो मतलब I have shaved once in my life.
नहीं यार,
उसके बाद तो भाई नहीं, फिर सब ना करूँ मैं कभी कभी.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. बल्कि फैंस तो because in season 3 there's a slightly because we have progressed little bit, तो थोड़े बाल बड़े हैं. But that look I never thought like I was little skeptical before season 2 we were gonna shoot कि यार छोटे बाल हैं कैसा क्या लगेगा. But the kind of appreciation and the kind of love people had just for the hair was amazing. मतलब आप तो ऐसे ही अच्छे लगते हैं और क्या बात है ऐसे ही रखो टाइप. तो मैंने कहा यार ये तो क्या किस डायरेक्शन में बातें जा रही हैं. So, but yeah, it was nice. Quite a good, dramatic, and impactful
True.
look
That
that
is
character
right.
had.
Shweta, you began as this sweet girl, then who kind of goes into the bad company, bad situation, not complex bad situations, and then turned badass, and now has gone badass pro max.
Furiosa.
ऐसा वो दिखा नहीं, ऐसा मतलब सीधा इधर से सीधा उधर चली गई है. So was it difficult to get to terms with it कि मैं इतनी बुरी बन सकती हूँ?
I think Golu is not Bura. Golu is somebody who's been put into a situation like this because of events that have happened in her life. And भाई वो सही और गलत के ब्रैकेट से बहुत अलग हो चुका है. And I think I myself as an actor, as a human, I have evolved because of Mirzapur, and not just my character as Golu, but because of other characters as well. क्योंकि जैसे मुन्ना के कैरेक्टर ने मुझे जो समझ दी है, that it's not he wants to be this person. वो तो अपने डैडी का प्यार चाहता था, वो तो उनका अटेंशन चाहता था, वो अपनी रिस्पेक्ट और वैलिडेशन चाहता था, which is why उसको गद्दी चाहिए थी. तो I think it's very important to realize the responsibility and the power we have when we talk to people, when we treat people a certain way. चाहे वो हमारे घर वाले ही कोई हो या फिर कोई डिलीवरी देने आए हो,
Yep.
कुछ स्विगी या जोमेटो की. It's how you treat people, how you make them feel is very important. गोलू की लाइफ में अब वो ये चेंज हो चुका है, not because she wanted this, not because this is what she had planned, but it is survival of the fittest now.
Yep.
Season 1 में she was driven by her dreams, by books, by the change she wanted to see in and to the society. Season 2 में she was driven by revenge, and now in season 3 she is driven by her ambitions and desires.
Vivica, now, you know, in our OTT spaces, we have the curse of season 2. Season 2 normally chalti nahi hai as compared to season 1. You broke that curse. Now you've reached season 2.
मान लीजिए.
अब तक नहीं मान रहे थे. अब तक नहीं मान रहे थे.
देखिए,
How is it possible?
जब आदमी के हाथों से बहुत बड़ा काम हो जाए ना, तो उसको वो चीज अपनाने में थोड़ा समय लगता है कि ये मैंने कर दिया क्या.
अच्छी बात है. I think it keeps
It's
you
good.
grounded and
It's
humble.
nice, it's nice. लोगों को आपकी तारीफ करनी चाहिए,
हाँ.
खुद नहीं.
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
वो बिल्कुल सही है.
नहीं, पर sir,
शांत जीत रहे.
yeah, but now how much is the stress for season 3?
So like you said, I think एक तो of course this is something that I've always said कि वो हर सीजन के टाइम लगता है कि शायद अब हम नर्व्स और प्रेशर को कंट्रोल कर पाए हैं, पर हर बार जब सीजन आता है तो of course the butterflies are back, the anxiety is back. I think I'm dealing with it better for this season. We as a group,
Yeah.
and it's because our support to each other has grown. And जब सीजन 2 आया तो जैसा कह रहे हैं वो पहली बार था
हाँ.
कि रिटर्निंग सीजन आया तो वो फीलिंग फर्स्ट टाइम थी. अब उस फीलिंग को हैंडल करने के लिए हमारे पास एक एक्सपीरियंस है सीजन 2 का. तो यू रियलाइज सर्टेन थिंग्स कि अच्छा पता है कि प्यार मिलेगा, उम्मीद है प्यार मिलेगा, पता है कि गाली भी मिलेगी, पता है कि कुछ लोगों को कुछ पसंद आएगा, कुछ लोगों को कुछ पसंद नहीं आएगा, तो वो होगा. So you hope you are older, wiser to handle those things, and also we're very confident that we have put our best foot forward, and we've really had a lot of fun making the show as in all seasons, and it is our happy space. तो जब भी मिर्जापुर वापस जाने का मौका मिलता है काम करने का, तो वो रियलाइजेशन हुआ है कि यार इसमें तो मजा तो बहुत आता है. तो why not, you know, take that as our legacy. The result is not the legacy. The legacy is the fact that मिर्जापुर का जो मजा है वो हमेशा हमारे साथ है.
Okay. Now season 3 ended on a very high note. Munna bhai.
Season 2.
Season 2. Sorry, my bad.
She will also end on for sure.
No, season 2 ended on a very high note. Munna Bhaiya is no longer part of the show at that particular point. I think he became Desi Jon Snow by the end of it. हर कोई पूछ रहा है कि नहीं. I think more than Inception का वो जो स्पिन था वो घूम रहा है कि नहीं घूम रहा है. People are ऐसे मुन्ना भाई है कि नहीं है.
और मिहिर.
और Mihir. But people, I don't know, people will know Mihir because people will know.
Generation
हाँ,
हमारी
Mihir generation. अच्छा अच्छा वो मिहिर वीरानी yeah.
चाची दादी नानी
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Oh बाप रे oh that time the TRP of the show shot from 6 to 24
Oh, बाप
my
रे.
god.
हाँ just because Mihir had died so उसको हो गया था
Wow.
so yeah so coming back to Munna Bhaiya now how much was it of pressure on you as a writer to make it even bigger the conversation because I mean Munna Bhaiya was the one of the most liked character of the show now when you kill one of the like, most liked person how do you fill in that space
So, see, again, the show has sort of grown organically.
Yeah.
So now, like, even with and of course, Munna was a loved character already by the end of season 1, but the amazing love and fandom for him blew out after season 2. So that is something that we also received post that. What we did was we followed our instinct for what the story and the characters needed to undertake. And I think one thing that the show is very clear about is that the stakes are real. Then that the losses are real. What you see is what you sow is what you'll reap. So the show, in that sense, has that moral center. It has that hope. You want your characters to come out of sticky situations. You don't want to lose those characters. But at the same time, the show is also keeping you on the knife's edge that if you fall in love with someone, he could be taken away from you.
Yeah.
Or she could be taken away from you. And we followed that instinct and that DNA. And post that, again, of course, this is something that we are very blessed with in the fact that neither the platform nor the production house gave us any pressure to where we wanted to go. Of course, the pressure is there from the fandom, the fans. And have we succumbed to it? I'm not answering it. But the choice was to still go with story. The choice was still go with characters. The choice was still go with surprises that we are finding in the script. And if we are being surprised, then we're hoping the audiences will be too.
okay have you seen the memes of Mirzapur I want to ask all of you have you all seen it
हम एक दूसरे को भेजते रहते हैं.
so which is the
How can we avoid it?
That's a good point. That's a good point. So my favorite one is when Ali is on the bike with Vikrant and बाजू में he puts it off. I think I'm like I think I must have used it on my colleagues all the time. बस करो तुम लोग कितना बोलते हो तुम लोग. So which has been your favorite meme still now? Which have you used?
बहुत से हैं. I think we have our chat group. उसमें कभी कभार बहुत interesting conversation करनी होती है तो हम memes to memes से ही बात करते हैं. तो है मतलब कई interesting है. बहुत से हैं. कालीन भैया का है
एक मुझे वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था जो मुन्ना का है कि पढ़ाई लिखाई करो IAS बनो और फिर विक्रांत की फोटो फ्रॉम 12th फेल. I'm like this is amazing.
और ना इंटरेस्टिंग
Universes meeting.
या इंटरेस्टिंग मीम्स में क्या होता है जैसे मुझे लगता है कि एक वो वाले मीम्स तो हैं ही जो बड़े हैं चाहे गुड्डू का हो कालीन भैया का हो. एक छोटे छोटे हैं जिसमें वो है सब हो गया. बस ये इस तरीके की जो है ना वो इतना करेक्ट पंक्चुएशन है.
हाँ.
तो वो क्वाइट लोडेड होता है. So that is also very interesting.
I think because I'm also a cricket fan,
Yeah.
so I think the cricket crossover with Mirzapur बहुत होता है.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of cricketers are also fans of the show. तो जो वो memes आते रहते हैं बहुत बार. आज ही मैंने देखा वो जैसे वो गुड्डू का है कि अब हम वो गुड्डू नहीं रहे जो लिबे लिबे करते. तो I just saw Rashid Khan imposition on that when they've defeated Australia. And so we hope World Cup winning, 5th July winning coincides and memes galore.
Yeah, इसमें वो बहुत मैंने देखा था गेम से या बाकी चीजों से रिलेटेड जो कालीन भैया और शरद का है कि तुमसे बेट किए थे. ये बहुत होता है.
Nice.
There's also one with Divyendu in it. अभी को डिसाइड नहीं किया है बताइए थोड़ी देर में.
Immediately
नहीं सोचे हैं.
बताइए अब like so I gave it to my mother once. My mother was like, she threw the phone at me like, I was like, कौन है ये क्या है ये? But yeah, now Gurmeet sir, I know that Puneet sir had a folder in his laptop wherein he had weird ways to kill people, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
I remember
He
this.
still has that folder.
Across, have you taken from that? Because I can see in the trailer, I can see Ali breaking someone's hand in the jail. Literally, ऐसा like रबर की तरह से फोल्ड कर दिया part 1 part 2 के अंदर.
So पुनीत इस शो के डीएनए में.
हाँ.
तो वो शो के डीएनए में घुस गए तो हमारे डीएनए में घुस गए. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो मैडनेस हम उनके लेवल पे हमारी शायद मैडनेस नहीं जा सकती, पर वो छोड़ तो गए।
हाँ
तो वो अब हमारे अंदर है, वो मैडनेस अनलॉक करके उसको यूज करना। एंड क्योंकि हमारी जिंदगी का तो हिस्सा है ही वो, तो उनसे जब मिलते हैं तो कहानियां भरपूर। उनकी उनकी जिंदगी इतनी रंगीन है, तो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते। सो यू नो ही जस्ट इज सच एन इंस्पिरेशन, एंड ही इज सच अ वास्ट वॉल्ट ऑफ फन। तो आई थिंक दैट ही हैज गिवन टू इनफ एवरीवन ओवर दोस 2 सीजंस कि हम उनसे मतलब लिखते जाएंगे, बनाते जाएंगे।
I think the weirdest when I have seen when the hair dryer was used to kill someone. I'm like ये कहाँ से निकाला है, ये ढूंढ ढांड के निकाला है. In fact, he even went and checked
Yeah, and he
it was possible or not.
and he figures, and वो IIT से है तो उनका पूरा कैलकुलेटेड होता है कि हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है, ये होगा, ये देखिए, ये
IIT में ऐसा भी होता है?
हो सकता है।
तो पढ़ाई इसलिए जरूरी है।
हाँ, IITN है।
Now, Shweta, how was you? I know you've used guns in part 2 as well, probably in 3 as well. I'm sure you would have more and bigger guns and bigger fights as well. How was it to get into the fighter mode, and also how much has Tridev helped you? Because Tridev is an old friend. So yeah, how much has he helped you with your fitness levels and to get a hold of those guns and fights?
तो मुझे ये था कि ये लड़की अगर गन उठा रही है तो वो फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ तो चाहिए होगी, लेकिन वो मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ भी आपको जरूरत है, क्योंकि गन होल्ड करना एक बात है और उसको फायर करना दूसरी। सो आई वांटेड दैट, एंड लकीली मैंने बहुत सारी जिम की मेंबरशिप्स ली थी पहले, बहुत सारे लोगों की तरह, एंड देन नेवर यूज्ड टू गो बिकॉज just there was no reason not to go, but I didn't feel motivated or inspired enough. And I think there are 3 people I have to thank for this fitness journey. One is definitely Pandeyji, Tridev Pandey, Golu, and my husband Cheetah, because he is such a disciplined human being कि मुझे लगता है यार ये हफ्ते में 6 बार जा रहा है तो मैं मतलब 3 बार रोगा के तो जा ही सकती हूँ। And lockdown के time is when I had started training with Pandeyji, and I loved it. And now it's become a part of me, and now because of promotions मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ in fact training, and I know that it's affecting my mood and how I am, because once a healthy habit becomes a part of your life, फिर वो जब नहीं होती है ना तो आपको खटकती है। So no matter चाहे मैं जितना भी healthy खा लूँ, but if I'm not working out, I miss that. So Pandey ji gave me a lot of strength, not just in terms of physically how I will look and appear, but also how to perform the scenes.
Yeah.
Now, when I do a scene or a photo shoot also, I feel much more comfortable and confident with my body language, which I hadn't earlier. As Shweta and as Golu. तो वो एक बहुत ही मजा आया है, which I think I will explore more and enjoy more.
Okay. Now, Anjum, you came in season 2. So did Vijay. Now, there is a huge cast with each one having their own track. Now, how does an actor try and carve a niche for himself? Because there already are established characters. You come in new, and then you carry forward the legacy from what they've built. How do you take it forward?
So first, so this pressure really, breaks on you like a big bomb. Then you get affected by it, and then after a point you say कि चलो ठीक है, अब काम करते हैं. So because the thing is कि it was a great thing to be a part of such an ensemble, because you are as good as your co-actor, so you can ensure that whatever scenes you're doing, because all these actors are the one of the top and the best actors we have. So आपको पता है कि काम एक तरीके का होगा, एक insecurities नहीं होंगी, because people are really everybody knows that only if we work and create it together will it work. So all those things are clear, and then after a point, and then you have a director like Guru, जो कि आपको एक सही तरीके से he'll guide you, he'll put you in correct with correct directions and all that, and then you after a point, because you are in love and that space which you have been given, the point is that has to justify your character and your need to be in that show, in that content. If that is in place, then you actually are not bothered about कि उसमें क्या हो रहा है, कम ज़्यादा सारी चीजें, because then I mean, because I come from a very strong thought process, like even in a film like Godfather, you remember the guy who Michael Corleone kills in the cafe. So if the writing is correct, performance is on point, does not matter how big or small the character is. And we have seen not only in my character, in all other characters also in the world of Mirzapur, कि यार सारे characters इतने ज्यादा यादगार हैं और याद रहते हैं.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean this after a point, I mean because and then moving forward to season 3 also, you just follow that thing. You know what the scene is, what all can you bring in those scenes. वो बड़ा होता जा रहा है. There are more layers. Now you are working with, you know, Ali, Vijay, Pankaj ji. So you know कि you just have to get the best foot forward and things will happen. The magic will happen.
Okay. My question to two of you all is, last question, I'm done. Okay. The two of you all. So गोलू को गुड्डू से प्यार है कि नहीं?
हम भी इनसे ही पूछते हैं. नहीं पता नहीं पता.
So again, thankfully, like Mirzapur, this is a very complicated emotion. And with Shabnam, I think verbalizes it also for Golu. Do you even know why are you showing this possessiveness over this man? So I think that is the journey that Golu is also trying to figure out. And you'll see more of it. You see this exploration continue. And like you said, again, we are using this. We're using these emotions to drive our story forward. And what you said is a very important part of our story.
Yeah.
So if you want the answer to this question, it's there in season 3.
Cool. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you.